A desperate man collapsed onto the dusty road, his face etched with despair, as a lone figure ran towards him from a distance. This was Ahmed, once a prosperous merchant, now stripped of everything. The one rushing to his side was Ali, his childhood friend, a humble farmer. Despite their contrasting lives, their bond was unbreakable, built on shared simple meals and laughter under the shade of an old banyan tree. Ahmed's business faced a devastating collapse, his grand mansion and immense fortune vanished almost overnight. Former associates and even close relatives, who once flocked around him, now avoided his gaze and turned their backs completely. News of Ahmed's plight eventually reached Ali, who was quietly working in his small, fertile field, filling his heart with deep concern. Ali immediately sought out Ahmed and, without hesitation, offered his most valuable possession, his ancestral plot of land, to help him restart. Overwhelmed by such selfless love, Ahmed embraced Ali tightly, refusing the land but accepting his moral support and a small loan from Ali's meager savings. With Ali's unwavering encouragement and that modest capital, Ahmed slowly began rebuilding his life, starting anew with a small shop in the marketplace. Years later, Ahmed was prosperous once more, but he never forgot Ali's sacrifice, understanding that true wealth resided in their enduring, loyal friendship. True friendship is not about who stands with you in prosperity, but who remains when everything else falls apart.
एक मोटा चमड़े का बटवा ताज़ा नोटों से भरा हुआ, इसके रास्ते में लावारिस पड़ा था। मूसा एक नौजवान लड़का जो अपनी ईमानदारी के लिए जाना जाता था, अपनी बीमार माँ के लिए पानी लाते हुए इस पर ठोकर खा गया। इसके अंदर की रकम आसानी से इसके खानदान की मुश्किल जिंदगी बदल सकती थी और इसे बहुत लालच हो रहा था। इसने अपनी माँ के लिए दवा, नए कपड़े और महीनों के लिए काफी खाने का तसव्वुर किया। मगर एक मजबूत ख्याल जो उसकी माँ ने सिखाया था, इसे मालिक ढूंढने पर मजबूर कर रहा था। ईमानदारी सबसे अहम थी। वो बाजार में पूछता रहा, बटवा की तफसील बताते हुए, यहाँ तक कि एक परेशान ताजिर मिस्टर अहमद ने इसे सुन लिया। मिस्टर अहमद के चेहरे पर इत्मीनान झलक रहा था। उन्होंने बटवा और उसके मवाद की हर तफसील की तस्दीक की। ये उन्हीं का था। मूसा ने बटवा वापस कर दिया, किसी भी इनाम से इनकार करते हुए, बस इतना कहा कि ये सही काम था। मूसा की ईमानदारी से मुतासिर होकर मिस्टर अहमद ने इसे अपनी दुकान में एक अच्छी नौकरी और उसकी माँ के लिए मदद की पेशकश की। मूसा की ईमानदारी ने न सिर्फ उसके खानदान में खुशहाली लाई बल्कि इसे पूरे गांव में गहरा एहतराम भी दिलाया। ईमानदारी सिर्फ बेहतरीन हिकमत अमली ही नहीं, बल्कि ये एक ऐसा बीज है जो एतमाद, इज्जत और गैर मुतवक्के इनामात में बदल जाता है।
With a heavy sigh, a young boy, covered in dust and sweat, collapsed beside a barren, rocky field, his worn-out shovel clattering loudly. This was young Karim, a determined orphan in the small village of Roshanpur. He had inherited this seemingly worthless plot of land. Day after day, under the scorching sun, Karim toiled relentlessly, clearing stones and digging deep into the dry, unyielding earth. Villagers often mocked him, shaking their heads, "Karim, why waste your youth on such a desolate land? It will yield nothing." But Karim ignored their taunts, remembering his father's wise words, "Hard work never goes unrewarded, my son." Months passed. His hands were calloused, his back ached, but slowly, miraculously, the land began to transform, showing hints of life. One fateful morning, while digging deeper than ever before, his shovel struck something hard and distinctly metallic. He carefully unearthed an old, intricately carved wooden chest, heavy with forgotten gold coins and precious jewels. The villagers, who once ridiculed him, now watched in awe as Karim, now prosperous, began to build a well for the entire community. Karim's unwavering dedication had not only transformed his own life but also brought prosperity and water to Roshanpur, proving the immense power of perseverance. Hard work, persistence, and belief in oneself are the keys to unlocking hidden treasures and achieving lasting success.